Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here is the second issue of my 100 healthy recipes. My weight is 58.2 kilograms today. Today I want to introduce to you a light-eating salad that I personally like very much. It is potato and bacon salad with sour cream. This sour cream dressing in particular is so delicious with any salad and I could eat it all week long. Okay, let's get started. This salad uses potatoes as the staple food. Potatoes are a good source of carbohydrates, which provide energy to fuel the body. You can boil them or roast them. I personally prefer roasting them so that the potatoes can be eaten with the skin on. Then we cut half an onion into fine dices. Onions are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great addition to a weight loss diet as they can help you feel full and satisfied with fewer calories. Then add my homemade sour cream. I'll put the cooking method at the end of the video. Of course, you can also buy it from the supermarket. Cut half a lemon and squeeze in some lemon juice. Add a little chopped green onion. Add some salt and black pepper. Stir evenly and our sauce is ready. Cut bacon into strips. Then fry the bacon over medium heat. Bacon offers a protein boost and adds a smoky and savory flavor to the salad. Boil 2 eggs. The best time to boil the eggs is 12 minutes. Add the eggs after the water boils. In this way, the eggs will be fully cooked and golden in color. Then cut the eggs into bite-sized pieces. Our potatoes are roasted. Let's cut them into small pieces. Then pour all the potatoes, eggs, and bacon into a large bowl. You can add a little more salt and black pepper according to your own taste. Drizzle with our sour cream sauce. Stir it and it's ready to eat. This salad is enough for 2 people. Let's divide it up. Finally, you can add some bacon and green onions for garnishing. This sour cream and onion flavored sauce is really delicious. My favorite potato chips have this flavor. Please tell me in the comments if you have tried this flavor and if you like it. Pour 100 milliliters sugar-free yogurt into a bowl. Then add 250 milliliters light cream. Light cream contains less fat and calories than other creams. Moderate consumption will not cause any burden on the body. Stir for a minute, then leave in a warm place for 8 to 12 hours and then it's done.